how to speed up or fast forward a part of video in CapCut application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can speed up a part of video in CapCut. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up the CapCut, create a new project and select your preferred video where you want to speed up. So once you have your video in your timeline, you have to select the part of your video. So for that, you can split up your video. First of all, select your starting point. After that, head towards the menu bar at the bottom of this interface, tap on edit, then tap on split. Now once you have splitted your starting point, now head towards your ending point and again split up. Tap on split. Now you have to tap on the part of the video that you want to speed up. For example, I want to speed up this part. Now tap on that part. Again, head towards the bottom of this interface. From there, you have to tap on speed. Then tap on normal. Now you have to select your preferred speed. For example, I will take this to 2.5x or 3x in order to speed up. Once you are done with your preferred speed, tap on tick mark at the bottom right corner. And as you can see, the video has been sped up. If you play your video, the video is now speeded up or the fast forwarded. So that's the way to speed up or fast forward a part of video in CapCut, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.